Hey you guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. My name is Manish and we brought to you all the latest news, views and updates from the world of Bollywood and social media. Now guys, the past couple of months have been really difficult on the entire planet, including Bollywood. Let's not forget that Bollywood is a part of the planet. But having said that, Bollywood has gone through its share of downs in the past couple of months, with COVID hitting everyone, film shoots being stalled, film releases being cancelled, theatres being shut, huge financial losses to the industry, junior artists, daily wage workers not having enough money to feed themselves even for a single day. It's been really tough on them. Apart from that, we've also lost some tremendously talented artists like Rishi Kapoor, Irfan Khan, and more recently Wajid Khan. So this has been definitely a trying couple of months for Bollywood. But the good news is that Bollywood still comes out all guns blazing, with all forces working towards helping each other. I mean, these real life heroes have literally turned into real life heroes. Now let's take a look at what these guys have been up to.
क्यों शूटिंग परमिशन मिलने के बाद भी भूल भुलैया 2 की टीम अपने लखनऊ की शेड्यूल कंप्लीट करने के लिए करेगी थोड़ा और इंतजार? क्या एक्शन थ्रिलर वॉर की सीक्वल की हो रही है प्लानिंग? फेक न्यूज स्प्रेड करने वालों को अक्षय कुमार ने दी वार्निंग। क्या अजय देवगन की फिल्म भुज द प्राइड ऑफ इंडिया OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पर होगी रिलीज?
Now guys, Akshay Kumar seems to be in the middle of a lot of false news and rumors spreading about him and, well, his team, his family and everything that's to do with him. Now recently there was this rumor that had been floating around the place about the fact that Akshay Kumar and his team are looking to cast new faces for Filhal Part 2, which is the sequel to the original music video which saw Akshay Kumar star in it along with Nupur Sanan. Now Akshay Kumar came out and he clarified that, saying that there was no such thing that was happening. Neither he or any member of his team was looking for new faces to cast in Filhal Part 2. Now more recently there was this other rumor that started doing the rounds about Akshay Kumar having booked an entire flight for his sister and her kids to fly from Mumbai to Delhi. And when Akshay Kumar found out about this, he got a little bit too upset and he put out a very strongly worded statement where he clarified that there was no such thing that happened, and he has promised to press legal charges on those spreading these false rumors about him, his family or his team. Here's the story.
One of the most difficult parts of stardom is dealing with constant media attention, baseless rumors and tabloid stories doing the rounds about anything a celebrity says or does. With social media and smartphones, an additional problem of fake news has sprung up, with people deliberately spreading false and sensational news about celebrities to gather views and publicity. Akshay Kumar, who only recently was found refuting rumors about a sequel to his popular music video Filhal Part 2 and denying casting calls for the song, has now found himself in another fake news controversy. The actor was accused of booking a special chartered flight for his sister and her 2 children amidst the nationwide lockdown. Akshay, who seems to be really angry and upset about his family being involved in these fake allegations, responded with a strongly worded statement on social media. Akshay's tweet read, "This news about me booking a chartered flight for my sister and her 2 kids is fake from start to end. She has not traveled anywhere since the lockdown and she has only 1 child. Contemplating legal action. Enough putting up with false, concocted reports." Akshay has always been very protective about his family and their safety and privacy. It's not surprising then that even someone who has been in the industry long enough to not react to gossip mills has not taken this accusation quietly.
मजाक नहीं है इस टाइम, ये बीमारी के सामने सबकी हालत बुरी है, पूरी दुनिया की हालत बुरी है। अपने परिवार के हीरो बन सकते हो तुम लोग, जिंदगी के खिलाड़ी बनो, सिर्फ घर पे रहो, बस घर पे रहो, बस सिर्फ घर पे रहो।
In addition, this report can also cause the family legal trouble if they are found violating lockdown laws. Fake news and false information being spread through social media and messaging platforms has been a huge issue during the COVID-19 pandemic and caused irreparable damage to many medical and tourism industry professionals who have been thrown out of their homes and ill-treated because of false news around the virus, and now it looks like even Bollywood celebrities and their families are not being spared this dangerous trend.
Now, there seems to be some good news for the entertainment industry with the Maharashtra government giving a go-ahead to resume shooting for TV and for films. But there are certain guidelines that have to be followed and adhered to very strictly. Now, some guidelines are rather easy to follow in that sense, like, sanitation of set, wearing protective gear, social distancing amongst the crew, making sure that everyone is hygienic. So those things seem to be dealable. But the other aspect of these guidelines are no intimate scenes and social distancing between actors. Now, that might kind of create a little complication in the sphere of storytelling, which is why the makers of the film Bhool Bhulaiya 2 starring Kartik Aaryan and Tabu have decided not to resume shooting and instead have decided to wait for things to settle down and improve further. Here's the entire story.
There has been some good news for Bollywood with the government allowing shoots to resume, but there are strict guidelines to be followed, failing which the permission to shoot can be revoked. While some of these guidelines are easier to enforce, like sanitation of the sets and making sure the size of the crew is small and in proper protective gear, other restrictions may come in the way of filming, like ensuring the actors keep a safe distance from each other and not allowing filmmakers to shoot intimate scenes. Perhaps that's why, in spite of getting permission to shoot, many producers are reluctant to start filming again. In a chat with an entertainment portal, Murad Khetani, who is one of the producers backing Bhool Bhulaiya 2, shared why the team will have to wait longer before they start filming again. Mr. Khetani shared that the entire team of Bhool Bhulaiya 2, actors Kartik Aaryan, Kiara Advani, Tabu, director Anees Bazmi, and the entire production unit was filming in Lucknow and returned to Mumbai just in time before a nationwide lockdown was announced. Following government regulations, all shooting for Bhool Bhulaiya 2 was also stopped immediately in Lucknow itself, and the team is yet to resume work. Speaking about when the horror comedy will be completed and sharing their reactions to the new shooting guidelines, Mr. Khetani commented, "No, we have no plans to resume shoot for Bhool Bhulaiya 2 right now. The entire team, including our co-producer Bhushan Kumar, director Anees Bazmi, actors Tabu, Kartik Aaryan, Kiara Advani and others have been in regular touch, and we have realized that the situation currently is extremely worrisome around us. The guidelines laid out also make it very inconvenient for everyone to shoot. The Kartik Kiara starrer is not just facing the hurdle of government guidelines. The makers need to travel back to Lucknow to complete filming the portions there, and given the current situation, traveling with an entire production unit and the cast won't be without risks. They are now trying to rework their shooting schedules in such a way that they first complete shooting in Mumbai before it gets safe enough to travel to Lucknow. With monsoons approaching and the lockdown still in place till the end of June, it is indeed going to be a long drawn-out struggle for filmmakers to complete their pending projects while sticking to new safety guidelines and juggling dates of actors who have multiple projects to complete immediately after the lockdown.
My favorite PZ. मैं हूँ सुपर हिट. I love you PZ.
I love you too.
Music director and composer Wajid Khan recently passed away in a Mumbai hospital at the young age of 42 years. Now, Wajid is one half of the dynamic, fantastically successful music composer duo Sajid Wajid. They've come out with tremendous music for Bollywood and have many chart-busting albums back to back over the past couple of years. But unfortunately, recently he passed away in a hospital. Now, while a lot of people thought that he actually passed away because of complications due to some kidney transplant, his brother Sajid came out and clarified that he actually passed away due to cardiac arrest, but also did mention that Wajid had been diagnosed as COVID positive. Now, we don't have clarity as to whether Wajid passed away of a cardiac arrest because of complications due to COVID. We're not sure about this, but we do want to say that we do send out our condolences to the family, to the friends, to the loved ones and people who are close to Wajid Khan, and this has definitely been an incredible loss to the industry, to the music business, to the basic culture and fabric of Bollywood, and this is definitely going to be a huge irreplaceable loss. And I mean, not just from us at Planet Bollywood, there have been messages that have been pouring into the family and friends from all over Bollywood, from all over the industry, and everyone has expressed their condolences. Here's the story.
It's not been an easy year for Bollywood, with the pandemic shutting down theatres and delaying film shoots. But what's been especially heartbreaking is the loss of 3 immensely talented artists in a matter of months. After devastating news of Irfan Khan and Rishi Kapoor passing away, we received unfortunate news of music composer Wajid Khan's demise at a Mumbai hospital. The news was shared by singer Sonu Nigam and music composer Salim Merchant, who posted on social media that Wajid Khan was no more. His loss created an outpour of grief in Bollywood, and since only very few people are allowed to the funeral because of the lockdown regulations, most of Wajid's colleagues and friends offered their condolences and shared memories on social media. While initially, the reports said that Wajid had succumbed to kidney failure, Wajid's brother Sajid has now clarified that his brother had suffered a cardiac arrest and also confirmed earlier reports that his brother had tested positive for COVID-19. Music composer and Wajid's very close friend Salim Merchant has told a publication that Wajid was diabetic and had complications with his kidney. Salim shared, "We knew that he was not well for the past few days, but the situation hadn't reached the stage for him to pass away. Yes, he was critical, but still better. He had issues of diabetes and kidney malfunction. Fortunately, Sajid's wife, Lubna, donated a kidney to him several months ago, but he was on the road to recovery after that. But I believe post Dabangg 3, his health started deteriorating due to exertion." Salim also revealed that Wajid was battling a kidney infection and had been on a ventilator for 3 days before dying of a cardiac arrest. There is no clarity on whether he had any COVID-19 related complications that worsened his condition, but no matter what the medical cause, his untimely death is a huge loss to the world of music and Sajid Wajid fans everywhere.
दोस्तों, अब वक्त हो गया है एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का. Don't go anywhere, we're coming right back. Well, guys, and some unfortunate news coming in from the television industry. TV actress Moina Kumari Singh and some of her family members, including her father-in-law and Uttarakhand Tourism Minister Satpal Maharaj and her husband Suyash, have all tested positive for COVID-19. Now, in a recent conversation with her, she revealed that initially it was her mother-in-law who developed symptoms, and while the symptoms didn't reduce after a couple of days, they all got themselves tested for COVID, and to their shock and surprise, they all tested positive. Now, apart from her brother-in-law, the rest of the whole family has tested positive for COVID-19. Now, all of them are in a hospital in Rishikesh recovering, and we wish them all the very best, and we hope to see them back at home very, very soon. Here's the story.
In some bad news for the entertainment industry, former TV actor Moina Kumari Singh, who became famous after participating in a dance reality show and was last seen as Kirti in the daily soap Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, has tested positive for coronavirus. Shockingly, it's not just Moina, but other members of her family, including her father-in-law and Uttarakhand Tourism Minister Satpal Maharaj, her husband Suyesh Rawat and Suyesh's mother have all tested positive for the infection. They have all been admitted to a hospital in Rishikesh and are undergoing treatment there. Speaking to a news outlet about how they realized they were all COVID positive, Moina shared that it was her mother-in-law who first developed a high fever and her initial tests were found to be negative. However, when her fever persisted, her mother-in-law took a second test as a precaution. The other family members took a test as well. Unfortunately, other family members and staff members also tested positive for coronavirus. Speaking about many members of her family testing positive, Moina said, "Nobody has any very big symptoms. Everybody is fine. If only we had everybody falling sick, then we could have understood. The weather is also changing here in Dehradun. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's rainy, cold. Nobody could understand." In addition, since everyone else's symptoms were mild, no one suspected that so many of them would test positive for COVID-19. The actress added that unfortunately, instead of offering them empathy and support, people have used this opportunity to malign her in-laws, which is very inconsiderate given the amount of social work they have been doing during this crisis to help the people of Uttarakhand. All affected members of the family are currently in isolation, and we wish them all the very best and a very speedy recovery.
Now guys, War was one of the biggest and most successful films of last year, and why not? I mean, this was a film which was truly a visual treat for all the fans who went and watched it. Apart from that, two sizzling hot hunks throwing punches at each other, matching steps on the dance floor, doing all things that are considered impossible. We're talking about Hrithik Roshan and Tiger Shroff. Now, a lot of people might say that Tiger Shroff is going to be the successor to Hrithik Roshan, and well, only time will tell whether that happens or not. But having said that, they do definitely share a great chemistry on screen and a fantastic bond off screen. So that seems to be working in their favor, and I'm telling you why we're talking about what's working in their favor, because there might have been talks of a sequel coming up to War. Now, having said that, Vaani Kapoor, who was also a part of the film, recently in an interactive session with her fans, was asked a question about her working relationship with Tiger Shroff, and she threw that question to Tiger, to which there was a whole can of worms that kind of opened up, and also there was further hints at the fact that there might be a sequel to War. Take a look at the story and tell me what you think.
Now, what's better than one impossibly fit and handsome actor who is also a fabulous dancer and has a magnetic on-screen presence? Well, two such actors. War, which was one of the biggest hits last year, pulled off a major casting coup by bringing together two actors who many have considered the best in the business when it comes to bashing up villains or burning the dance floor. Tiger and Hrithik worked very well together, playing off each other's strengths and energy levels, and the result was a film that not only performed extremely well at the box office, but also was a wish come true for all Hrithik and Tiger fans. The film also features Vaani Kapoor in a small but important role, and the gorgeous Vaani gave both the Bollywood hunks a run for their money with her super toned physique and cool dance moves in Ghunguru, which was the party anthem last year. While fans have been eager to see Hrithik and Tiger together again, and there have been rumors of a sequel, it looks like Tiger is all set to be a part of War 2 as well. Recently, when Vani was answering questions from fans, one of them asked her about the experience of working with Tiger, and in response, Vani tagged Tiger in the post asking for his comments. Tiger's response was quite epic and raised fans' hopes for a sequel. There is the issue of bringing both their characters to life though. Replying to Vani's question, the Baaghi 3 actor said, "Hopefully both of us come back to life for the sequel and I can be a background dancer in Ghungru 2.0 behind you and Kabir." Well, if Yashraj Films is listening, looks like you have 3 stars ready to recreate the magic. Maybe we'll be ready for war again post the lockdown.
And with that, guys, we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood. But I do want to remind you guys that lockdown is slowly opening up. Things are starting to get back to normalcy somewhat. But I do have to say that by the end of June or July, we'll see what's known as a new normal with masks and gloves and social distancing. But at least the good news is that we can meet our friends, our families, our loved ones. And, you know, there'll be something to cheer about in that respect. But having said that, like I said again, that brings us to the end of this episode, but I will be back again tomorrow with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and most importantly, stay positive.